Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Priska. I'm back again to show you guys how I get this beautiful look done. Okay, and sorry for the time I haven't been posting a lot because I'm back to work and it's not easy working while doing the editing, so I decided to post every Sunday. Okay, please watch this video to the end. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.
One for the papi, I say shake for the papi, the back for the papi. Baby, eat all my money and jump in my reserve. Make up on flick like Bugatti, you deserve.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's the girl Priska. I'm gonna be doing a voiceover, so please don't judge me. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna be using my eye primer from HBA. I'm just going to put it right over my eyelid and blend it right in using my beauty blender sponge. Okay guys, and blend that thing in real good because you don't want to knot it up while doing your eyeshadow. Blend that right in, guys. Okay, for eyeshadow I'm going to be using a Bloodless from Jeffree Star. Okay guys, I love this powder. For the eyeshadow I'm going to be using pink, you call that pink magic. Okay, pink magic for the eyelid. I'm going to blend that right into my excuse me, right into my eyelid and blend it in real good so it just look pretty. Okay, pretty. Blend that in real good because you don't want to knot it up. After that, I'm going to use my second eyeshadow, which is Sleeping Beauty, to put that right over my eyelid to make it, a little bit spicier. Not only the pink magic, I'm going to blend that right in on my eyelid and make it real smooth. You see, that is very simple, very simple. Okay, it's not difficult because I'm rushing to go to Father's Day. I don't have time to be doing all these difficult, this is very simple. And I'm going to use my unlimited mascara. Okay, this mascara is real good too. It make you from lowering, yeah, it's real good. I like it because it make your lashes extra long, but I have to do extra lashes, you know that. And if you want these lashes I'm using, I have it in stock. If you want to come to my store and check it out, that's fine too. I have a lot of them. All the lashes you see me using in my makeup. Okay, for my face I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty pre-makeup base to make my face smooth and make the makeup too real smooth. Okay, that's why I use this. Make sure you put a lot, however you need it, and rub it in real good so it just blend in and make your makeup last longer too. Okay, thanks for watching and please watch for more details. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys. Okay, for foundation I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty 440G shade. Okay, this it blend right in real good. After you put the makeup on your face, girl, I think blend right in. As you can see, though it's a little bit lighter, I need to order another shade, but these cost a lot, so watch for more details. Blend it in real good. Make sure you get everywhere done. With my makeup brush, I'm going to take my beauty blender sponge and blend that in real in the skin to make sure it's real smooth. Playing some music, guys. That's why you see me dancing, acting up a little bit. Blending that in. I take a long time to do my makeup because I'm still learning. Okay, from there I'm going to be using my Juvia Place contour. This one is not that it's too bright, because I like it a little bit darker, but you know, you use what you, if you have it, you work with it, because I don't have the darker one right now. So just blend it in. Make sure to have a little contour. Blend that in real good. So I'm going to add a little bit of the MAC contour because it's a little bit darker. So I'm going to add that on there to make it a little bit darker. And blend it in. Make sure you blend it in real good. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to be using my Pro Long Lasting Concealer from MAC in shade NC45. I'm just going to put that under my eye. Put that under my eye. It's a little bit darker, and blend that in real good. Use my beauty sponge and blend that in real good. Using my beauty sponge to blend that in, because I don't like under my eye looking black. Though it don't look black, but you know. Blend that in real good. Yeah, she like bluffing. I'm just blending in right now. What I'm doing, I'm just blending the concealer in under my eye. And I'm just going to use my Pro Long Lasting Concealer MAC from MAC. It's NC42. Okay, this one is NC42. I'm gonna use that because it's more lighter. It make the eye pop out. Yes, ma'am. I'm getting there for my Father's Day. I'm taking my daughter out, guys. So I need to look pretty. Not too pretty, but pretty. I'm just blending that in real good. Blend it, blend it, blend it. Make sure you blend in because you don't want to look like a monkey. I'm not professional yet, but I'm getting there, okay? But I don't want to look like monkey. So I have to blend this in very good. Okay, guys? Just bear with me. Okay, guys, for baking powder, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Pra Cake Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. Yeah, I love this. It just make your makeup just blend right in. Okay, love it, love it. You can try it too. It's real good. This Huda Beauty product, they're real pretty. I love them. Guys, while my powder is baking on my face, I'm just going to take my Fenty Beauty eyeliner and just outline my eye while I'm waiting for my powder to bake on my face. Yes, ma'am. Bake, 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 bake. I'm just going to do a little bit because I'm in a hurry. But, you know, if you want me to redo this look, just leave a comment down below. I'm going to hook your girl. I'm just taking my brush and try to, you know, blend that in a little bit more. Okay, now I'm about to use my bigger brush and just blend that powder in. I'm just blending the powder. After that, I'm just going to use the same eyeshadow I use on my eye to down to my lower eye to blend that in real quick. The same Pink Magic. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Winter Highlighter. Shade pink, no, Winter Rose. I like this, but it looks so bright during the daytime, so I don't even know why I even put that on. But it's still pretty. For lip, I'm going to be using my Jeffree Diamond in blue, but this shade, after I put it on, I never like it that much, so I use another pink lipstick over that because it was looking too bright and too blue. So, and for, you know, you're going out with your baby, you don't want to look too I like, oh my gosh, how did I do that? So I take another MUA lipstick and just put it over there, so it just, you know, tone down the blue a little bit, because I don't want to go out there looking like one, how you call it, a shower. Yeah. Okay guys, that's all. That's it for this video. I'm gonna take my MAC finishing and spray that right on. If you like this look, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the love, guys. I know I'm not perfect, but I'm getting there. Just bear patient with me. I will be there. Please subscribe, okay? Comment if you need me to improve anything. Just let me know. Bye.